getting the circle blocked off. Miles is helping Daddy. What a good helper. Shout out to whoever left all their fireworks here. Don't worry, we'll clean it up, guys. But look at that guy. Look at him. It's a feral dune child. We're here at the airport. Bye. I don't know how to show you guys Miles because he's so cute. Miles, look how cute you are. Give everybody a round of applause. Yeah, you're so cute. We're not gonna get out right now because we're getting fuel. So we're currently at the airport. We just got a couple jugs to fill up. These people over here, they're filling up their whole toy hauler and add fuel. That's gonna be a pretty penny. So I know we're gonna go get a haircut. We gotta go get buttermilk to make ranch dressing. We gotta do things. Yeah, you wanna eat ranch dressing, Miles? Do you like dip? You like dip? You're so cute. Look how big you're getting. You want me to show me your boo-boo? Show me. Oh, you got a Band-Aid on your boo-boo? Oh, I think it looks better.
All right, guys. Man, got the old Freedom Flyers up there. Me and Doug, we're gonna go find Mike and all the Utah boys, and don't know where Doug went. Is he putting gas in his car? We'll find him in a second. All right, guys, we found the crew. Me and Dougie went out searching around, and I saw Mike's little blue dot. Look who we got, man. We got Bryce over here with Dune Life Co. If you guys don't know who he is, go check out his TikToks, YouTubes, Instagrams, all that stuff. He's got a new car. His video will come out before mine, so don't worry.
Maybe.
Should I blur that out then? Let me blur that out.
That's
I will blur it out.
Yeah. I'll get to my video when I can get to it at this moment.
We're gonna let him do a reveal on his channel. It's gonna be a little black square there is what you just saw, but it's pretty cool. There's a lot more details than what you probably would have seen anyways. Good looking car, good looking setup. And we're about to head to Swing Set with the Utah crew and the Idaho crew. Let's go get some riding in, guys. What is up, guys? So I wanted to drop in here really quick. We made it to the Swing Set, but you aren't going to see anything about us being in the Swing Set. Somehow I forgot to record that section of us being there, and all kinds of great things happened. Unicorns flew over, Puff the Magic Dragon, Falcor from the Neverending Story came through. It was a great time. But anyways, in the middle of this, I just wanted to tell you guys, please go to offroaddiaries.com. We got tons of new shirts on there, and we will also be launching a really awesome website soon, so look out for that. Chris and I are just now starting the beginnings of working on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Look at this. You guys, there's a surprise visit. So every night when I'm editing a video, he'll always sneak away from his mom, and he'll come and open the door, and he ends up sitting in here and chilling with me. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Okay, good job. Anyways, we're going to ride back for the Swing Set, guys. Well, it's been quite the day so far. Check this out. Where are we going? We going to go on ride? Yeah. That's what he always gets in my car when we're at home and the car's just parked and he sees it and always calls it a rye. Not to be confused with rye bread, but Got him completely, that seat's in there, super. Look at him, look at him, he's ready.
Are you ready, dude?
Don't worry guys, I'm gonna strap him in, but this car seat, it's freaking, it ain't going nowhere.
No, it's in there.
And we're gonna try to face it the other way, but it won't work that way. And I couldn't see nothing out of the window, so that would have been even more unsafe. But we're gonna have him double buckled in, and he's never ever rode in a car seat before in here. So Chris is gonna ride with either Doug or Mac.
Your little passenger.
You know what?
He's become your little passenger. I was your little passenger.
Not no more.
But you're so cute. I got a neck pillow. I got helmet hands. We got goggles, a sweater. I think I should put this on because it's a little cold. But you ready? Yeah. Okay. You kept saying right.
Yeah. So Doug had some issues with his car earlier. Let's go talk to him real quick. Let's get a report. What's the word, Doug?
What?
What's the word, man? Are you all back together now?
Not yet.
What's going on, buddy?
The roll cage is in the way. Can we get a sawzall and notch it so we can get this to open more?
I'm sure that'll help with structural integrity. Dude, just freaking hit it. You got it out, right? If you got it out, you can get it back in. That's my theory.
Never got it in, but couldn't get it out.
I've had that problem before. Hold, please.
Check out Mikey, Military Mike. He's got customers in Dubai.
That's right.
I won't lie.
I won't lie.
He's got them in Dubai.
I got customers in Dubai. Check this out, guys. If y'all are a truck person the way I am, I love trucks. It's a single cab, 3,500. That's pretty freaking rad. And it's a single rear wheel on top of that. And it's got king shocks and everything. It's our buddy Zach. I met him, invited him to camp with us, and he's pretty young. He's in his 20s. He's got a lot of stuff. So either he works for the cartel or he's a very smart kid. He does marketing and stuff or something like that. Marketing. I do marketing, and I ain't got a brand new Duramax like that. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, Doug's car is fixed. Chris is going to be riding with Doug.
He's doing this for insurance purposes.
Insurance purposes only.
Yep.
And then Miles is going to ride with me, and we're going to go check out the sunset, guys. I don't know.
Say 5 minutes.
What's that?
5 minutes.
Yeah, just bend it out. Say something. Talk louder. Yeah.
Say I'm gonna go ride with Dada.
Say rye.
Ride time. Say ride time. Dada, ride with Dada. You're so good. Let's go ride.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. part of the strap. Watch how they react. We throwing cheese at the rats. Yeah, we know they easy to catch. Show me the stats. I've been in the game for a minute. It's different. I had to adapt. I came with the boom bap, sticking to raps, but it put a limit on what I attract. Let's go with the facts. We all got potential that's going untapped. If you don't attack, I do it for me, my team, my family tree. Now tell me how you like that. Put the team on my back. Never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that. Put the team on the map. Bridging and filling the gap. Never fold, never crack. Now tell me how you like that. We breaking a mold and aiming for gold. We here to take everything, even your soul, yo. Tell me how you like that. We live and we grow. Obsessed with the green, I'm Willem Dafoe. We deal with the foes and turn them to goals, yo. Tell me how you like that. Tell me how you like that.
I have to say this car is unnecessarily fast. Oh my god. Oh, you see Miles. Is he seeping? Did you have fun, baby? Was that so much fun? You want to get out? Let's watch the sunset.
Man, let me get that dance here, bro. Give me a little bit more of that little chimichanga wiggle. Mike would dance over everybody, and then he stopped the second that I turned the camera on. I tried to like sneak it up there, and he noticed, man.
I bounced my equilibrium off.
Your
Is that what it's called?
Nope.
Equilibrium?
Yeah, your equilibrium. Yeah. Well, that's not good. Not when you're driving.
I can drive though.
I hope so.
I just can't walk on
Eggshells.
the road no more.
Oh, okay.
I have to get that up.
Okay.
Are you having fun playing in the sand, baby? What'd you find? Oh, thank you. Right here, Miles. Don't run away.
At least got to go back and like, bro, you missed the best sunset ever.
We could see the same thing.
Valid.
Give them
It was better here.
Give them kids. Oh, thank you.
Well, guys, it's now officially nighttime. As you can tell by all the lights. There's a drone up there. It's time to go back. Baby Miles getting strapped up in there. Another unsuccessful sunset, sadly, because, well, there really wasn't any sunset. But it's okay. We still hung out and had fun together. Look at those American flags up there. They're pretty. Chris is going to take over the camera, guys.
Okay, you guys. We made it back to camp safely. Look, there's Miles. Look what we got here, dude. A ball and a bike. Ow, Leia, dude. Oh. Here we go. Woo. No, Leia. No, you're gonna go inside. For real. Come on. How was your ride, babe? How did it feel being a papa with a little mini you sitting right next to you.
Oh, dude, I thought it was so cute.
It was so cute. That was my favorite thing. And Miles is like, he just looked so comfortable. And every time I looked behind me, his head was in the same position. And so it was secure. He was secure. I felt good about it. That was perfect. That was like solid. So we're back at camp. We're gonna make some hot dogs or something. I think we're hungry. I took out meat and it's still frozen. So it is. So we're gonna hang out. Miles is gonna ride his bike. Miles, you ride that bicycle, baby. Ride, Joe. Can you give me a wheelie, Miles? Pop a wheelie. Let me see, let me see. Let me see your wheelie, babe. Wheelie! Good job.